Hey everyone, wanted to give you a tutorial on how to sign up on Coursera for one of the free courses or even the paid courses for this website. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to join for free. And once I join for free, it's going to ask me to continue with Google. It's going to ask you to create an account. I'm going to join with Google. And I'm going to use my personal account. And once I do that, it's going to ask me to agree to some of the privacy safeguarding. I'm going to go ahead and check the box and press continue. Once I'm on here, it's going to ask me to answer a few questions. So I'm going to put in my information here that I am a student. If you're a student, you're going to save to your profile. And once you do that, you're going to go up to the top and you're going to put in what you want to learn. So for this, I want to create a promotional video using Canva. You can use this for any type of certification that you want to get, but for this particular project, we want to create a promotional video for Canva. I'm going to go ahead and click on that course. Now I'm going to enroll for free, and I'm going to press continue here. And once I do that, it's going to take me through the course. So it's going to allow me to get started on the course. So I'm going to read some of the information that's provided. It tells me about the course itself, and I'm going to click Get Started. It has course objectives, course structure, project structure. It tells you what we're going to be doing in the course. Along with on the side here, it's going to kind of tell you the time that's going to take to complete this project. So as I go through, I'm going to hit over in the corner. I'm going to hit next. I'm going to agree to the tool responsibilities, and I'm going to open that guided project. Now once I'm on here, I'm going to just close this out, and you'll see that the window is split here. I'm going to do my work in this window here. It's going to have the instructor information here. Going to take me through on this window. I'm going to go ahead and sign in and do everything else I have on this window here. I'm going to go ahead and sign in to Canva if I don't have an account already, or I'm going to sign up for Canva. Most of you probably already have a Canva account. If you don't, you can just sign up. Otherwise, you're going to log in. You're going to complete this entire course, and in the end you're going to have a certificate that you can download. So go ahead and move through the project, and I'm going to show you here in a second, once you're done, how to download that certificate so that you can submit it. Now once you've completed the certification, you can see up here in the corner there's a profile drop down. Once I go to the drop down, you'll see there are courses that I've completed. So for you, you're going to go to create a promotional video using Canva. You're going to go ahead and click on that, and it'll show that you have achieved a certificate. You can see the certificate here on the side. All you're going to do is download that certificate. And once you do, you'll see all of the information you have for this certificate. Once you want to download the certificate, you're going to hit the arrow. It's going to download. You're going to save it as promo video. You can name it whatever you want, and I'm going to choose save. I have a downloaded certificate that you can now submit. You can use this tutorial to sign up for any of the Coursera certificates. I hope this helped. Thank you for joining us. Have a good day.